I didn't know.
Really hot.
Hey guys, so Keandra and I are about to go into Whole Foods because, as you guys know, the first of the month is coming tomorrow, and every first few days we do raw, and then the rest of the days we do just something like, you know, lighter, no meat, stuff like that. It's kind of hitting the reset button for us, and so we normally shop we had been shopping the day before, but we start our raw, but for the last few months or so we kind of got off of that schedule, and we were starting to go grocery shopping on like the first day of the month, and that, you know, like, we're hungry on this on the raw, and so to make us more like successful and to not be so distracted, we're gonna go ahead and, you know, get back on track with shopping before. We can't go days before because it's produce, but we're, you know, trying to, you know, keep up with that, so so that we won't be super hungry. And then for an update for the week, as you guys know, we started back working out in the gym. Last week we took a break, and then this week we got back in the gym, and, you know, all of that. And so it didn't go, like, this week didn't go as well as I had planned and as I wanted to.
For me either.
We were able to go to the gym for 5 days. So we haven't been today yet, but we're going today, and so that makes 5 days. My goal was to do 5 days for 30 minutes, and now today I don't know if I'm gonna do 30 minutes or not. I'm very tired today, and so I might do about 20. I don't know, I'm gonna try to push through to the 30, but I'll see. But as far as the meals go, so that was, you know, that's okay, right? But as far as the meals go, that's where I didn't do as much as I wanted to do, or as well as I wanted to do. I have a meal plan, and so like that I just kind of created, just kind of looking at stuff that, so instead of meal prepping, I do a meal plan, and because I like fresh food. So we were able to do the first 2 days of what was on the plan, and then after that I deviated, and I snacked, and, you know, like, the calories and stuff like that for most of the days was pretty good. That wasn't the problem. The thing that I'm trying to do with the meal plan is staying consistent with not only like the calories, you know, things like that. I do totally believe calories in, calories out. But I think what I'm wanting to do with the meal plan is to create a discipline and consistency with, you know, eating, and not being so flexible and saying, oh, well, I can do this tomorrow, or I can fit this in today, and, you know, sticking to a plan. Because if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail, and if you plan and you don't go by it, then it's just like you didn't plan. And then also I'm trying to create habits that will be long-term. So like, and then it's really it's connected to just being disciplined and not being so flexible with I think it's an attitude change. It's kind of probably what I'm going at. If you guys know like what I'm talking about and can put to words like what it is that I'm saying, then you definitely can comment that.
This week is truly about being focused, staying consistent, and making sure that we meet all of our goals, or at least meet close to them as best as we can. So we're about to go into the Whole Foods and pick up a couple of items, and then tomorrow we'll like finish with our groceries for the first 3 days, and we'll keep you guys posted on, you know, how everything is going after the 3 days as well. So yeah, y'all, I'm so glad that Whole Foods has clean bathrooms, because I can't do dirty bathrooms. Comment below if you can use a dirty bathroom. I just can't do it.
Anything else we need over here? No. Okay.
too green, nothing too yellow.
I'll
Right?
probably get more yellow back tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm gonna ask you guys for
You know how to pick those?
I think it's based on like how soft they are. You don't want them too mushy, but you don't want them too firm.
Yeah. And you know what? I think that's what turned me off to the ones not in the jar because they were too firm.
Okay.
They smell good.
So far, not good.
Where are the ones that are really fragrant?
That's what I'm trying to think.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
That's super sweet.
Oh, let's try that. About to get on in the car. Where you going? So yeah, about to get in the car and then go to Target, pick up an order, and then go home. Good morning. We are about to get up, pray and read. It's Sunday, and then we'll get up and do our content. Today is pretty much like it's a decent sized amount content day. And I'm doing content for my hair. Olaplex sent me some more products, so I'll be doing some content for that. And then we'll head to the stores. Kim has to return some things, and then yeah, we'll probably get a bite to eat, of course, and then we will come back home. Now, the bite to eat is not our normal because, as you know, today is February 2nd. And you know that we own our raw. So yeah, and it's going pretty good. Very proud, very happy about that because I did some damage. But yeah, but I'm good. I am. We're doing better. Trying to get this thing together. You know, I'm not getting any younger here. I'm getting seasoned, you know. And so that means less seasoning for my food. But I mean, I don't even really care for seasoning like that. Actually, I do not care for highly salted food. So yeah, comment below if y'all like highly salted food. We appreciate you guys for tuning into this vlog. We hope that you're enjoying, and yeah, we'll check back in with you guys and take y'all along with us today as well. Love y'all. Hey you guys. Okay, so just finished with my content for Olaplex. They sent me over some things, and I wanted to do a video with them. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and wash, do my hair and all that. So might as well do some content for them. I also used the Adwoa, the hair mask, and I did like a little steaming. It's not like a steaming treatment, y'all. Like just kind of close to what your stylist would do. So we just take our steamer and just, you know, steam our hair with the hair mask on. And I mean, it works really well. My hair looks good. I'm very happy about my hair. And yeah, I love it. I'm back. Back, you all. I'm back. because y'all know I've been wearing my little headband, and I've not been putting any heat in my hair. I've only been washing it, conditioning, deep conditioning, and blow drying, and then pulling it back in my headband, because I don't want to put any heat on my hair as much as possible, even though it's, you know, like a shortcut. So yeah, we're about to get up now, head out to some stores. Again, Kim needs to take her packages back, and then I think we're gonna go to HomeGoods as well, because I want to look and see if they have like some lamps and a couple of pillows. The spring is coming, and so I kind of want to change my colors in my room. I'm gonna keep the base white, very neutral, but just want to add some other things too. Oh yeah, while I have this sitting here, for the sheen in my hair, or extra added sheen, it's the anti-breakage serum by OGX. It's the nourishing coconut milk. I think I've showed you guys this before in my other videos, but I love it. Just use a little dab. When I say a little, I mean a little dab. Just kind of like, you know, rub it in the palms of your hands, and rub it over your hair. And it's just really to kind of like lay down the flyaways, but I don't really use like a lot of oils in my hair, because I don't like it to lay down and be weighed down rather than be heavy. And so I learned that the best way to have nice sheen, well moisturized, conditioned hair is to condition your hair, deep condition it. So yeah, about to get up now, and I will chat with y'all in a bit. Let's go see what Kim doing actually.
Is my hair shorter on this side or something? Like, what really is going on here? Okay, so guys, I am wearing the Gucci earrings that we got adjusted, and I almost forgot that I had them on. Like, remember, like, we could barely wear them for like 30 minutes and they would hurt our head and our ears and stuff like that. I just went to go take them off to change into my next look, and I was like, oh yeah, I have these on. They did so good. Pickens, isn't it Pickens? Yeah, Pickens, you did your thing.
Hey y'all, Keandra here. So we're about to head out. I wanted to show y'all my look of the day. I just have on my sweatshirt from H&M. I also have on my jeans from Banana Republic, and then my sneakers from, they're by Reebok, but I got them from TJ Maxx. And then my coat is from H&M as well, and then my bag is Kate Spade. And then I have these earrings on from Amazon. And then my glasses are my Versace frames. Okay, y'all, so for my fragrance of the day, I have on the, what's the name? The In the Night by Bath & Body Works. And then I have on, let's get on some more light. I have on the Vinery Before the Rainbow. And then I decided to wear the Tory Burch Sublime Rose here, right here, okay? And yeah, it smells really good. I'm loving what I'm smelling like. Loving what I'm smelling like, and I think it goes really good with my look as well. So yeah, let me get out of here, y'all, cause yeah, I'm doing the most right now.